Hello everyone from a cloudy New York City. It's another edition of our Stay Smart newsletter. We had some great information this week from Mark Champagne with his visit to Washington, D.C. for the GBTA Legislative Summit and Second Annual Sustainability Summit. Some great information that Mark brought back, especially from the Sustainability Summit. Some data that they put out that 81% of travel buyers are wanting to include sustainability into their travel programs. We also had a good article from AirDNA, which is a analytics company for the short-term rental market, and they put out a mid-year forecast, and it looks really good compared to what they had forecast for this year. It's already ahead of budget, and then they're also forecasting the second half of the year with demand up and capacity up. So good information for the short-term rental segment. Also some good information out about Chicago, and Taylor Swift had a 3-night showing there, and there was hotels were full, restaurants were full. It's a really big event back in a big way. Really good to see those big events coming back. And then lastly, an interesting article in the New York Times about an apartment owner who has two one-bedroom apartments to rent here in New York City, and the one caveat is that there's no cooking of meat or fish in the apartments because the landlord is a vegetarian and doesn't want to have to smell that. And according to the New York Times in this article, that is legal. So it's an interesting subject as someone who's a vegetarian myself to see if that will stand up in court in any legal challenges. So good information from the New York Times. So that's what I see transitioning this week. Take care, everyone.